Sometimes, a car doesn't need big horsepower or flashy styling to make a lasting impact. That's exactly the case with the 1972 Toyota Corolla 1600, our Bring a Trailer auction pick of the day here on MotorHub 1003. This humble, compact sedan helped kickstart Toyota's dominance in global markets and won hearts through sheer simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. And now, a beautifully preserved example is up for grabs, reminding us why this little car became a global legend. Before it became the best-selling car in history, the Corolla had to prove itself. The 1600 variant from 1972 did just that, offering spirited performance thanks to its 1.6L inline-4 engine, a surprisingly responsive 4-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive dynamics that gave it real personality behind the wheel. While it may not have been a sports car, the Corolla 1600 had a lightweight chassis, sharp steering for its time, and the kind of build quality that made it a dependable daily driver across generations. The 1972 Corolla 1600, currently listed on Bring a Trailer, is a rare find. Wearing its age proudly, this car features original body lines, period-correct wheels, and a tastefully preserved interior that screams vintage Japanese design. Whether you're a collector, a JDM fan, or simply someone who respects automotive history, this Corolla tells a story worth owning. With its minimal rust, clean presentation, and thorough documentation, it's clear this example has been loved. And with the growing interest in classic Japanese cars, it may not stay affordable for long. In a world of over-engineered and overly complicated cars, the Corolla 1600 is a reminder of what made cars special in the first place: simplicity, honesty, and mechanical charm. For many drivers, this car was their first step into the world of motoring. For others, it's a nostalgia piece that brings back family memories and simpler times. Owning this car isn't just about driving. It's about preserving a slice of history that shaped the automotive landscape worldwide. The 1972 Toyota Corolla 1600 may not shout for attention, but its legacy speaks volumes. As our Bring a Trailer auction pick of the day, this car represents durability, heritage, and the kind of understated cool that never goes out of style. Subscribe to MotorHub 1003 for more auction gems, classic car spotlights, and stories from the vehicles that made history, 1 mile at a time.